Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to fix a column in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the column you want to fix. Now click on the letter at the top of the column you want to fix. Now go for View tab, then after click on Bridge Pans. A drop-down will appear. Now from the drop-down menu, choose Freeze Past column. Now the selected column will be fixed or frozen in place. Now when you scroll, the frozen column will remain visible. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.